You guessed it right. You guessed it right when click on this video. So I want to show you how to use Java without the main method. You might be thinking I'm crazy or some kind of lunatic, but it's actually working. It's a working technique, working trick. I want to show you how to use Java without a main method. So let's just jump right to your computer. Let me show you how to do that stuff. So how does it work? Yeah, it works pretty simple. In Java, you can never print anything to the screen without putting this main method. So I know you have actually when you're writing your first line of code in the Java programming language, you must put in this kind of code. So public static void string args. So you must put in this before you put any other thing, like you put in a System.out.println or any other Java programming syntax. So you must do this thing first before doing any other thing in the Java programming language. So I'm going to show you how to actually go to the screen without using the main method in the Java programming language. So after I said, let me just show you that real quick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a static class. So you have created a class, public static main. I'm going to use a static class, very simple. So you're going to use static, brackets. There's simply in here, you put in your System.out.println. It's that easy. I'm actually dead serious. It is that easy. So put your system and that and print line. So I'm actually done. So I've actually printed a hello world to the screen without using the main method. So you want us to test it. You can test that out here. So let me quickly run that. Let me compile it, make a Java class file. So I think that is done successfully. So what I'm going to do next, let me quickly run the Java main.java. I'm using Sublime text. That's why. So if I should run it, fingers crossed. So it actually works, yes. So it works. It actually printed a hello world to the console. So look at it down here. Printed a hello world to the console. So it actually told you that it cannot find a main method. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to print it out without using the main method. And I've actually showed you how to print that out. So we printed it out without using the main method. So that technique is actually working. But Java, as smart as it can be, actually telling that you can't find the main method. So you can ignore that if you are not writing production-based code. But if you are writing production-based code, which means you must get used to using the main method in Java programming language. So this video is for people who want to know how to, if it's actually possible. And yes, it is possible. You can actually print out hello world to this console without using the main method in the Java programming language. So I know this was helpful. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. And I think I've forgotten to put in your semicolons after I done writing that line of code, where I have a video explaining how to write in Java, how to code in Java without using your semicolons. So if you want to watch that video, you can check it just about here, somewhere around here. So click on that video so you can learn how to use Java without semicolons. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, share, and comment also, so that I can know if you like content like this. And I want to see you next time. So goodbye.